I'm thinking about grabbing some X calls. X calls maybe. I don't know. The spy calls are doing pretty well right now. There we go. The mic's on. I don't know. I kind of want to grab X, but I think X, they're fucking expensive as hell on the options over here though. 24 days. Make it to 70 to 26 bucks. Maybe. How much cash do I got on this account over here? I got 160 for calls. I think I'm gonna go with this one right here. I'm gonna grab just one of them. $75. Place order and yeah, fuck you. I know that. I know. I fucking know already. Alright, I grabbed some X. 2 X calls, buy calls. I'm grabbing a couple different ones. We'll see how that plays out. I think it's time to get back into X. I think, did I hit X calls last time? No, I didn't hit X calls last time. I don't even think I hit the Cleveland ones. It fucking fizzled out quick. That was the 26 ones. We'll see where that goes right now. Other than that, I mean, the market, so much for the end of the market. The market crashed and everybody was talking all kinds of craziness yesterday. It looks like it's holding up pretty solid. So with this little fucker over here, volume is real low over there on the GMPX. A lot of healthcares aren't really doing that well today, so it's not really like it's just on Genprex. Well, I did get a notification that Quest Therapeutic did hit a high today, or not? Yeah, it did hit a high today. Yeah, don't fucking call me with that scam shit. Wow, Quest Therapeutic went up to $4 and gave it up. Come on, Spy, get back up to 70. But man, what a fucking way to start the year out. Like, we're going, we're not going, we're raising shit, we're not raising shit. What are we doing? What did DWAC hit 66.19 today? I thought they were gonna move a little bit more than that. Excuse me. Facebook's taking off. Damn, GMPX is getting a nice little fucking big order right there. Oh yeah. Bitcoin actually held up over there though, huh? It went back up to 43,134. Come on, Spy, get up there. Is it gonna hit 650 again? 663. Yeah, I grabbed those ones like on the way to work after I heard from fucking pals. Like, all right, cool, run it. Let's get these fucking calls. Why does X look like it wasn't even moving that much today? Fuck, actually, X isn't really on the high. It's been down here on the gutter. Prague's not doing too hot over there. That fucking noise up there is pissing me off. I'm gonna have to go up there and jam that thing up. So I say millennials are more worried about cash. They're optimistic. They said, fuck it, run it. They're not very worried about it. The Gen Zs are fucking... The Gen Zs are worse than the boomers. That's what they're saying from a fucking statistically speaking. That's crazy. Wow. That's crazy. The fucking Gen Z is more. Wow. They're worried. Future. They're stressing out more than the boomers are. What? Is that true? As a result, younger generations are starting to invest early. 42% of Generation Z is already invested. Wow. 17% of baby boomers invested before 25. 42% of Gen Zers invested before 25. What? And then 50%. What the fuck? And the boomers are more confident about 10 years from now finances than the Gen Zs, the Gen Zers. And the millennials, we're just like, fuck it, we're good. What? That shit popped up. Sounds fucking really weird. Here we go, X. Keep going. X is getting some volume in on it. Everything just kind of like just chilled out. We got about what, 25 minutes in the power hour. Not really much excitement going on. Tomorrow, the rest of the week's gonna be fucking crazy. Let's go, X. Keep pushing. That's crazy. Yo, Funware has options on it? It sure does, huh? I got the January 22 calls on there. Fucking Zynga again with all the volume over there. At least Ford's taking a lot of volume up. See what happens here. Hopefully the market don't give it up at the last fucking 10 minutes of the day like it did last time. X is right there at the high of the day. Just needs to bust through that 24.30. I think X has been at this little spot for quite a while. Yeah, X has been trading in this range, just getting in a nice little tight wedge. Last time X and Cleveland Cliffs ran it up was around the beginning of the year too. Damn, GMPX, you little mother effort. It's back at open. Right? Is that open? What was open again? 235? I mean, we're under that. Fucking son of a bitch. And the Gen Zers are stressed, and they're more stressed out than the baby boomers were. That's crazy to think about. Damn, motherfucking Gemprex is still getting pushed down some more. Oh, how much cash do I got over here? Do I got enough for more option buying power? Fuck, no, I don't. They got any fucking cheap ones here that are way out? You know what? January 21st. That's a little too early to be hearing from the FDA. Dang, these fun ones are fucking expensive. When are they supposed to do it? February? Some shit, February? Yeah, these things are going to be priced up a lot. Jesus Christ, they're still fucking expensive. That shit's already priced in over there on the fucking options, little fuckers. Market just needs to go. Fuck, tomorrow's gonna be fucking crazy. I don't even know what to expect from tomorrow's market. Only put I have is on Cat, so if everything falls apart, at least Cat will fucking has a lot of meat left on it. This guy's over here talking about the Gen Zers don't like to hit the like button. There goes the SPY, baby. 469.71. Is it gonna move? SPY's right there. How much time do I got on these contracts? I want to say these are weekly for the 12th. Yeah, they expire tomorrow. Those ain't even a weekly, bro. Those are daily. I paid fucking like, what was it? Shit, I paid $52 for them. They're going for $152 right now. The 470s. These are those ones I got right here. I got these ones for cheap as hell after, well, during Fed Pal speech. The fucking NASDAQ is just monstrous. There we go, 69.58. 65. 60. 175-year-old news corporation, Associated Press, plans to launch NFT marketplace. Iran to permit use of cryptocurrencies in international settlements. Expanded crypto market cap by 500% to 1,300%. There's a lot of shit going on out there in the crypto market right now. Actually don't need a phone war. Let's see what Bitcoin. I already got Bitcoin down there. Let's see what the little Doge is doing. 15 cents. This shit went all the way down to 14. Fuck it. Damn, 14.30. Ouch. There's X is getting some volume in it. Let's go, X. Start taking off. Where's that? What contract do I got again? I got the 25.5 February 4th one. What did I grab them for? 94. Paid 94 for them. They're already at 100 bucks. Oh, there you go, X. Start running it, bitch. 431. There it goes. It's gonna start taking off right now. That'll pull up the Dow. Son of a bitch, slowed that motherfucker down. Still not enough in on Genprex. Still fucking hell early over there though. Fucking look like X got halted there for a second. It's just fucking stopped moving. It's manipulation. Volume's coming in right now on X. X might be able to get up in the green today. We got what, 25 minutes left in the market? 26, 24.37 on X. Where's the SPY at right now? SPY is fucking right there at that fucking 469. It needs to get above 470. DWAC's coming back down. Most likely firmware is coming down with it. 34.39 on X. Where are we at right here? 25.5. Interesting to see how X opens up tomorrow, especially because it was down today. There you go. 24.40 on X. Is that a new high of the day for them? Or yeah, it's a new high of the day for X. Market's right there at the high. It's just trying. Well, not really the whole market. Looks like NASDAQ is right here at the high that it hit right here. Should be no reason why it should lose its steam here in the top end, especially after what fucking Powell said today. That shit came off pretty dovish. So we probably won't see a rate hike until like April or some shit like that. The next, like, I want to say this 5th or 6th FOMC, that's probably when we'll start hearing about it. So we still got a few FOMCs to go. We definitely have got a bit of time on it. DWAC and FUM almost broke out big. They almost did. They're still up pretty big today. DWAC's up 11.34%. I know FUM's still up. Right now I'm playing SPY calls and X calls and a couple other. Well, those are the ones I bought today were SPY and X. They're actually up right now. And the only put I'm playing for protection is Caterpillar, because Caterpillar should have enough meat to come down on the downside if anything does fucking happen. But so far it's not too bad today. Yeah, I got the 470 calls for the SPY. I paid 53 bucks for them, or 54 when I grabbed them when almost towards the end of Powell's speech or testimony. Yeah, they almost broke out, man. They almost. It's looking good, though, so far. Everything's looking pretty bullish. We got a lot of time. We shouldn't hear anything about tapering until April. That's what I took from what Fed Powell said. So it's not the end of the world, everybody. Everybody said financial shit was going to fall apart and everything. Nah, we're good. We're good. What's going on here, Reza, man? How's your trades doing? Bitcoin got back up there and kind of held up above those key levels. It's back at 42.8. It needs to stay above like 42.780. I mean, it's still too early to call. DWAP definitely slowed down towards the end. It's back at VWAP. It did a pretty good day today though for DWAP. It's better than fucking what's this one over here? Gemprex. Yeah, the market's right there at the high right here where NASDAQ hit. Still got about 20 minutes for market to close. Shit. Remember that one day where the last 10 minutes everything just came down hella hard? I highly doubt that should happen. We should see a nice little push towards the end. We might even just stay in this range right here where TLT is and the SPY. I want to say the SPY and NASDAQ should still close green. The Dow Jones is kind of, a little iffy on the Dow. DWAP is popped off of VWAP. DWAP. X is right there at the high. Fucking SPY, 468. Somehow my contracts went up. Somehow the contracts went up. What the fuck? The 470 still went up in value? How the hell does that work? Whatever. Went up again. Alright, we might be able to get a good push here. Here goes X, 24.42. Oh, I grabbed 4 calls too today. CPI is going to be very important though. March seems to be pretty much priced in. A lot of bad is still priced in out there. They still got a lot of fucked up shit priced into the market. So now they got to take it all out. They'll be like, fuck, we got to reprice it. This isn't going to work. Since fucking Powell changed up, switched the gears up on everybody, which I kind of assumed he was. I had this feeling that Powell was going to end up doing that. Just because, that just shows you Powell's watching the market. He sees what's going on out there. The market was freaking out. We were like, what are we going to do? SPY's coming back down. Fucking just a little bit right there. We still got 20 minutes left. Yeah, the market hit a little bit of wall up there. Banks are still holding up pretty solid over there. Yeah, Facebook did take off today. Oh, X just fucking switched up right there at the top. It said, no, it can't do it. I mean, as long as CPI is above expectations, we'll be all right. Because, I mean, shit, last time it came in above 7, like the market was like, it's cool. That's all right. Or above 4, I think it was. That first time, they were like, it's all right. It's just 4%. It ain't shit. Damn. GNPX is just, just stuck right there. Volume just slowed down over there, though. Man, DWAC's just chilling right there at that 63.17. It's up fucking like what, $7 today? Shit, hit 68, 66. Wow, hit 66. That's crazy. Yeah, wait till they just launch it over there. Once they launch it, that DWAC is gonna start fucking taking off, especially, and then Phoneware will too. I think Phoneware will really run because it's such a smaller. It costs a lot less. But I'm playing the DWAC on that one. Just go for DWAC if that's what you want to play. Where's oil at right now? Actually, I haven't even looked at USO. USO is at 58. What the fuck? Yeah, USO's been just fucking on fire over there since it went negative. Yeah, so I thought we were gonna get a little bit more volume in here towards the end. We got 15 minutes left. DWAC's right there at 83.29. Wasn't Bach up earlier today? Let's get rid of Bitcoin over here. Let me see what Bach is. Bach's not doing too bad. What about Mavis? I need to start getting rid of that Mavis shit. Microvision. It's at 4. I'm gonna start trimming back on that one as soon as possible. What about NNDM? Where's that little scammer at? Where's that little scammer? NNDM. Mavis, yeah, I still have Mavis. I'm actually going to start trimming back on Mavis this year. I'm just waiting for Mavis to make a little bit of a move as soon as it starts getting back up. But yeah, that one's in the hole. I'm down significantly on the Mavis one. I might just take a loss here, probably. I'm going to wait till February, though. He said I sold that last month. What a pity. I completely forgot about the shares I have on it. It's not a whole lot. It's a very small position. But that's definitely the number one that I want to get rid of. That one and NNDM, man. Oh, I'm still holding fucking shares in Chamber Energy. That one's got to go too. I completely forgot about that one too. Yeah, there's a couple little just bullshit stocks in my portfolio that I'm going to start trimming back on. He said I sold that a month ago. Yeah, that one sucks. The main ones I'm focusing on are Ford, fucking Ford, Roblox, and Airbnb. But right now I'm playing the fucking FDA approvals that are coming up. This Gemprex one, and then who else is it? I'm playing Merck's. They have another PDUFA coming up for Merck. Zach Morris called it was a pump and dump. Yes, it was. It sure was. DWAC's getting a little bit of movement in it. And the SPY, I got calls on the SPY I grabbed today. They expire, I think they expire this Friday. They're already up about, 140%, 150% on the SPYs. But I'm holding contracts in Ford. I actually have I have the 2024 leap for AMC calls. But I'm holding Ford, Roblox. I have GMPX calls too, SPY calls. I have a Caterpillar put, X calls. And who else do I have a call on? Fucking I think that's it. Oh, D-Walk opponent Mark. Well, once they start that platform launches, it should get moving because the whole D-Walk, it's either people invest in it isn't for any other reason but that they like the guy or they hate the guy. That's just the way it is, so I'm going to play that. But there's a possibility for it to get to 100 and over 100 because it's still the best performing fucking SPAC ever of all SPACs, which is crazy. But there's still a lot of hype behind D-Walk. We just got to have, once they start doing their little rallies, once they launch it coming in February, it's going to move. D-Walk to 100, fund to 10. Hell yeah, just don't be afraid to take profits once it starts moving because it'll probably come back down very quick. Don't get locked in on the top. Yeah, I completely forgot about Mavis. It popped up and I'm like, damn, I still got Mavis fucking shares. I should think the worst one I have is Bach. BKKT, that one's got to go too. That little scammer got me. Got 10 minutes left. I thought it was going to be a little bit more action towards the end. I mean, at least everything's finishing in the green so far. GMPX gave it up. Oh yeah, it's still early on it because it was just the FTD announcement. They really didn't give it anything until we hear from the FDA on that approval. Once they get the approval, it'll move. The FTD, we just don't know when it's going to happen, but I'm pretty sure it'll happen probably towards the end of the month, if not the beginning of next month, because Merck has their PDUFA date, which is when they approve that cancer treatment, and they need this treatment that Genprex makes or is working on for that one. So that's why the FDA gave them their FTD. It's the same thing that happened in 2020 when they were working with AstraZeneca for the same cancer. I think it was the same cancer treatment they were working on right now. So it's a pretty high probability that they're going to get it, but it's not set in stone. But the good thing with the FTDs is it makes it so there's a lot less room for communication error because they're in direct contact with the FDA, so they know what the FDA wants and how to make them feel good about it. But yeah, I think the only reason why they even got the FTD is because of Merck, because Merck is such a big company. If it wasn't for Merck, I don't think Genprex would have gotten it, even with the first time with AstraZeneca. SPY falling a little bit up. It's got a nice little bit of volume coming in. $668.82. Well, yeah, everything kind of came back. I mean, we hit the high right here after everything was done and said, and it just kind of gave it up a little bit. So I got 10 minutes left. A lot can happen in the last fucking 9 or 8 minutes now. But so far, it's not looking like the financial market is collapsing. Not like everybody was saying yesterday, huh? AMC's getting a little bit more volume in there too. Not much. Yeah, this year is definitely starting out a lot slower. Just know, I mean, a lot of bad shit has already been priced into the markets, and after what Fed Powell said today, they basically got to backpedal on it, and we just got to let the market digest it. It'll take some time, a couple days. Tomorrow should be interesting because Euro will be open because they closed by the time Fed Powell was finished. So we'll see how they take all this bullshit that happened today. I still think it was very bullish though. He bought us a couple of more months. Yeah, SPY did come back down after hitting that 76, 469.71. It's lasting so far though, right there at 53. It doesn't look like we're getting a crazy drop just yet. But yeah, Genpex, that one's going to be at least like a month, maybe 2 month swing trade right there. I'm going to end up hanging on to a little bit of the shares, probably like 15, 20%, maybe a little bit more. Ford's getting a little bit of movement over there. Oh, where's AT&T at? I haven't even fucking looked at AT&T yet. I still got AT&T calls. I forgot about those ones. They expire in April. The $27 ones, it just needs to get a couple. Fuck, it's almost there. It's almost there. AMC's trying to go positive. Damn, I was hoping X was gonna get in the positive towards the end of the day. It almost did it. 5 minutes left. Shit, my Thinkorswim's not locked in over here. Ford's starting to get a little move. SPY's got a little bit of volume coming in back right there at the last 5 minutes. Tesla got a little pop. Tesla got a nice little pop on it. If the tech gets a good positioning, this could set up for a good continuation tomorrow. As long as CPI comes in right where it needs to be in. As long as it's, not under. In a weird way, if it's under, the market's going to freak out. Yeah, it was pretty much a positive day all around, though. What the fuck? I got 2 Fords. Where's TBT at right now? I wait for TBT to come out. I want to grab more calls on TBT, especially when they really start with selling the bonds and TLT starts coming down. TBT will go straight up. Don't mind the dog. Yeah, very interested to see what what Trump's got going on with that platform over there. That shit's gonna fucking stir up all kinds of shit. 3 minutes left. Ford's getting up there. Come on, Ford. At least the bonds did chill out. Never mind, TLT just gassed it. Well, they just chilled out. Fucking TLT just fucking took off in the last couple. Fucking look at the candles over here. What the fuck? Son of a bitch. TLT's taking off right now. D-Walk's at 64.60. 2 minutes left. Oh shit, that's not the right password. Fuck. Whoops. Well, there goes that one. That bell's not gonna ring. That bell's not gonna ring. 2 minutes. Everything's getting a little push towards the end of the day. It's looking pretty fucking solid right now. See if SPY can get back up to the high. He needs to get back up to that 71. At least the streak's been broken to the downside. We broke that streak. At least it's changed a lot of the settlement out there. Yeah, this is like the actual really first green day of the year. Actually, yesterday really. Yeah. X is right there at 24.40. Fucking look at these little scammers. Now they want to come in here and start buying all kinds of shit on Genprex. No imbalances on it either. Well, we got 32 seconds left. 25 seconds left. SPY's right up there, almost at the 71. There it is. The SPY just gassed it right there where the contract's at. 470s. Oh yeah, they're moving now. They're up $100 now. Fuck, there it is. The bell's over. What a day, man. What a day, everybody. Fuck. Well, I gotta get running. Fucking, actually, hang on. I'm gonna give it a couple minutes and see what moves around here. Might get a continuation. Let's see if the SPY is gonna take off. Just know whatever you're holding right now is what you're gonna hold in for tomorrow's CPI. Oh, shit. Yeah, the SPY looks like it's taking off right there. Oh. All right, everybody. You guys have a good day. I got to take off, run back to work. Fuck, I'll probably do a live stream later on today. Take care of yourself. Leonard, thanks for swinging in. Paul, he is risen. Get ready for tomorrow. It's going to be a crazy day. I'm out.